UPSC CSAT 2023. Again, a beautiful question. AB and CD are two-digit numbers. Multiplying AB with CD result in a three-digit number DEF. See, I have a number AB. If I multiply it with CD, then what I have? I have DEF. If I add it with another number HI, HI, we have 975. Further, further, A, B, C, D, E, and F, CHI are distinct digits. See, distinct digit means either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. They are distinct digits. So A, B, C, D, E, and F can take these values. See, here A is equal to 0. So 0 is already taken. Or 8, F equal to 8. 8 is already taken. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 as our values. See, in this question, it is clearly mentioned that A is equal to 0. Here, E is equal to 0, and F is equal to 8. See how we can get 5 here. If I add a number that is 7 to 8, 8 plus 7, 15, then we have carry 1 here. We have carry 1 here. So to make 7, I have to add 0 plus 1, 1, then 1 plus 6. So H equal to 6. 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6 plus 1, 7. So we have 7. Carry 0 here. Carry 0 here. See what numbers we have taken. We have taken 6 and 7. We have taken 6, and these numbers are already taken. So we have no carry. We have 0 carry here. So what will we do? So we will add D plus G and make 9. So take a combination from there. See, you have to take the value of D and G in such a way that their sum become equal to 9. So you cannot take 9 plus 0 because 0 is already taken here, the value of E. So there is only one combination, that is 4 and 5. So either the value of D or E, either 4 or 5, either 4 or 5, because 5 plus 4 is 9. So either if the value of D is 5, if the value of D is 5, if the value of D is 5, then it is 4. First of all, we will take 5 as D, 5, then it is 4. See, if it is 5, then it is also 5. And if 5 is multiplying with any of the numbers, see, CD is a two-digit number in which 5 is the unit digit, and there is a rule of 5 that if 5 is multiplied to any of the number, if the number is even, then it will give unit digit as 0, and if the number is odd, it will give unit digit as 5. Here the UD is 8. So we cannot take, we will take 4 here and 5 here. So here is 4. So we have a number 408. We have a number 408. We have to factorize it. We have to factorize it because we have what we have. We have AB into CD. We have the multiplication of a two-digit number resulting in 408. See, we have taken 4 and 5. We have taken 4 and 5. Now what we have? See, we have only 1, 1, 2, 3, and 9. We have 1, 2, 3, and 9. I can come to the answers from this expression. See, A, I have to find out the value of A plus B plus C, and A, B, and C can take only 1, 2, 3, and 9 as their values. See, the maximum sum is 9. Maximum sum is 9. If you take 9 as any of the value, then your answer will be greater than 9. So 9 will not be your answer. Means You cannot take 9 as of your answer. See, you cannot take 9 as your answer. Why? Sorry, you can't take 9 as one of the digit. Why? Because if you add a 9 to another two numbers, your sum will be greater than 9, and the largest option is D, which is 9. So 9 is also eliminated. The question asks, find the value of A plus B plus C. Find the value of A plus B plus C. It is quite simple. We have to add these values. So whatever the value A takes, whatever the value B take, whatever the value C take, we need not to worry. We have to find their sum. Whether A is equal to 2, A equal to 3, A equal to 1, the A plus B plus C will always be equal to. So here is my answer. But if he asks particular or unique values of A, comma B, comma C, then what will you do? See, we will factorize it. We can take 1, 2, 3. So we will factorize it. See, 8 plus 4. What 8 plus 4 is? 12. So this number is divisible by 6. This number, see, this number is divided by, this number is divided by 4 and 3. So this number is also divisible by 12. So 12, 12 3 ja 36, or 12 4 ja 40. See, if I write 3 here, 1 here, and 2 here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Value of A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 6. So if he asks for A plus B, then it is 1 plus 3. But if he asks A plus B plus C, then no need to find out their exact values, as they are given 1,